If you got some big balances on your credit cards and you need to transfer them, you need to watch this video. So regardless of how this balance got to where it's got to, we need to figure out how to transfer this balance so you don't have to pay any interest, because this is the name of the game of credit, right? We don't want to pay interest if we don't have to. Listen, spending gets out of control during the holidays. We all know this. And sometimes it's just inevitable. People go through rough times or whatever it may be, but we're here to support. So I'm going to talk about 2 credit cards that will get you no hard inquiry to see if you qualify, because that's really the name of the game. And then they are also free credit cards. Now, what do I mean by when I say free credit cards? I mean, there is no annual fee, or there's a deferred annual fee for the first year. It's really important when you do this balance transfer type of game that you're not paying an annual fee, because you're gonna have to be stuck with this credit card. So you don't wanna be stuck with a credit card that's gonna have an annual fee that you're gonna have to pay, just to transfer a balance. So again, we wanna make sure that we make the right fit with it not having an annual fee or a deferred annual fee for the first year. That needs to be key for a balance transfer credit card. And 2, it's gotta be a pretty good fit. So if you get stuck with it and you're gonna have to keep this credit card, then you keep it for longevity, and it's actually gonna help you either get cash back or some points or anything like that. So you wanna make sure that the credit card works for you. So I'm gonna cover that and make sure that we don't get a hard inquiry to make sure to see if you qualify. I'm gonna keep this video as short and sweet as I possibly can, trying to keep it under 10 minutes. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you find out every time that we drop new content on shorts or either on long form YouTube content, okay? And also hit that bell notification so that way anytime I go live, you're gonna find out about it, or when we drop new content, because you never know when I'm just gonna pop out live and surprise everybody. All right, so let's get into it. The 2 credit cards that I'm gonna talk about balance transfers. The first one is going to be your free credit card, okay? This one is the Blue Cash Everyday with American Express. Now, remember, American Express credit cards, all personal credit cards, when you apply for them with the link in the description, okay, there's not going to be any impact to your credit score. They will tell you if you were approved without you getting a hard inquiry. But once you accept the credit card offer, you are going to get a hard inquiry. Remember that, okay? So just to find out if you qualify, you're not gonna get a hard inquiry. That's the best part. This is why I've been a huge, huge fan of American Express, because they're constantly trying to innovate and trying to help more people out there, okay? So if you apply for these, link is gonna be in the description for both of these credit cards that we're gonna talk about. The first one is the Blue Cash Everyday. Now, they have a PayPal offer that's going on right now. You'll earn up to $150 back when you shop with PayPal. So that means you need to connect your American Express credit card in the PayPal app, okay? Or anywhere that offers PayPal, make that your preferred choice of your credit card, okay? Now, you can do this for the first 6 months. You'll get up to $150 cash back, okay? Or you can earn $100 back as a statement credit for spending $2,000 in the first 6 months, okay? So remember that, it's very important. Now, here we go to the juicy that you wanna know about, right? So 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months from the date of account opening. Now this is great, 15 months is a good amount of time. Normal standard procedure is gonna be 12 to 15 or 18 months. It's very rare if you see credit cards that do 24 months of 0 APR. There's a few of them out there, but I'm not a fan of those, so I won't really talk about them. I won't promote them because I'm not a fan of those banks. Just be honest with you, okay? You want to do business if you're going to do this with a bank that you can trust, okay? Now, the reason why I like this credit card, because remember, it's a free credit card. There's no annual fee. So if you keep this credit card, it's going to be a good credit card to have in your wallet. It's 100% free. You're going to get 3% cash back at gas stations. I mean, we all use gas, right? Okay? Except for my EV friends out there, okay, that are balling out with no gas needed, okay? But 3% cash back at all gas stations, okay? Now, 3% cash back on supermarkets up to $6,000 per year. People are going to say, $6,000, that's nothing for groceries. I know, I get it, okay? So, but just understand, at least you're getting that 3% cash back, okay? And then there's also going to be 3% cash back on U.S. online retail purchases. So there's going to be specific ones that you can use. So just make sure that you know exactly which ones they are, okay? And you're also going to get an $84 Disney bundle credit, okay? I'm a fan of the Disney bundle. I do it with Verizon, but they're offering it here for 84 bucks. Now, what it does is you'll receive $7 each month, up to $84 for the full year to get Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, and Hulu, which is a pretty decent deal in my opinion, okay? So that's one part. There's another benefit. It's called the Home Chef Credit. So basically, you can buy your meals and stuff like that. They've worked out some deals, so you'll get $180 credit for that also, okay? And then your payment flexibility. Now remember this. You need to have an exit strategy for this balance transfer credit card, okay? So you need to pay it off before the time runs out, because if not, you're gonna get hit with all that interest fees, okay? So make sure that you have a great exit strategy for this balance transfer credit card when you're gonna transfer a balance. Always remember, last part's the most important. All right, so next up on the list is gonna be another American Express credit card. It is the Blue Cash Preferred credit card, okay? Now, this does come with an annual fee, but, remember but, okay? The first year is going to be waived, okay? So you do not have to pay an annual fee for the first year of having this credit card, so you can get it for free for the first year. Every year after that, you're looking at a $95 annual fee, which isn't too bad, as long as you're gonna use the card properly and you feel like you're gonna keep it in your wallet. It's a go-to, okay? Now, the reason why I like this card is because you're going to get 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers, okay, for the first 12 months from the date of account opening, okay? So you can transfer those balances. Now, a lot of these cards have these other features that I'm not allowed to talk to, okay, because I get in trouble for. But look at the way that you can pay these credit cards. There's different options of just making regular monthly payments. They have different options inside that now that American Express is offering, okay? This is a big thing that a lot of credit cards are going to now. All right, so pay attention when you go onto the site. Link is going to be in the description, and I'm going to throw it in the comments also, so you can kind of have a faster way to get to it, okay? But this is why I like this credit card. Also, you're going to earn $300 back after you spend $3,000 in 6 months, okay? You'll receive that in the form of a statement credit. So $3,000 in 6 months isn't too shabby. I think it's totally attainable. It's free money. I like free money, and guess what? It can cover the annual fee for 3 years if you really want to, okay? So that's a pretty cool deal there. Now, another reason why I like this credit card is because it has 6% cash back on groceries. There is a cap, okay? It caps out up to $6,000 per year at U.S. supermarkets. Now remember, the caveat with a lot of these, it does not include Walmart or Target or like BJ's and Costco's and stuff like that. It doesn't include those, so just be aware of that. A lot of people get mad. I'm like, sorry, Walmart shoppers, it's not included, unfortunately. A lot of these credit cards are like that. It's not uncommon. Now, you'll get 6% cash back on streaming, so all your streaming subscriptions. You'll also get 3% cash back on transits, including taxis, rideshare, parking, tolls, trains, buses, and more, okay? And you'll also get 3% cash back at gas stations. So this is a really good card to have in your wallet after you're done transferring the balance and you're paying it down. It's for your everyday spending. So you can hit your streaming, your gas, and your groceries and get a decent amount of cash back for it. It's also going to come with some of the same benefits as the last card, where you can get an $84 Disney bundle credit, which is pretty dope. My kids watch Disney Plus all the time, okay? There's a $120 Equinox credit. I mean, if you're into Equinox, you know what I mean? I don't know. As you can see, I'm not, you know. That's pretty much it, but this is a really good card for you to earn cashback rewards. Just an everyday card to have in your wallet. The Blue Cash Preferred link is in the description, so you can go transfer that balance. If you have any specific credit cards that you want me to talk about, drop it in the comments section, okay? Don't be afraid to drop all kinds of nonsense in the comment section, asking me questions of specific topics you want to talk about, because we're going to cover credit repair, credit cards. We're going to cover everything in the credit world, including business credit. So you want to talk about some business credit facts, whatever it may be, drop it in the comment section. And always remember, subscribe to increase your credit score.